Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Jamaica's own Krystal Tomlinson has been named amongst the world's most influential person by US based magazine Success Magazine, ladies and gentlemen. This is a happy moment and a breaking news here on Deep Roots TV. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, so you have Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a happy moment, a proud moment for all Jamaicans, for all melanated nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the most intelligent and beautiful Krystal Tomlinson has been named among the 125 most influential world leader by US-based magazine Success Magazine, ladies and gentlemen. It is seemingly taking a month for Jamaican author and public figure Krystal Tomlinson to process being listed among 125 global leaders to look out for in 2022 by readers of US-based business magazine Success. Tomlinson, in an Instagram post on Tuesday, March 15, while humbling to be included with the likes of American actors Will Smith, Gene Accusate, entrepreneur Tom Bilio, and Nigerian author Lou Hay Jones. Summarized that imposition and that seldom was nagging at her. She feels like she wasn't belonging. But today it is official. She removed the veil of denial and had me disbelieving from the nominee of the finalists to make the Success Magazine list of 125 most influential leaders to known in 2022. I'm still a little stunned, a lot grateful. I was notified a month ago, and it took me that long to process what had actually happened, she said. Former People's National Party youth organizer President Tomlinson beamed with pride for being the first ever Jamaican recognized on Success Magazine's newest list, which celebrates the company's 125th anniversary by asking readers worldwide to nominate people who have made long-lasting positive change in their lives. I am a list of persons described as the most powerful voice of today: poet, authors, speakers, athletics, activists. I am still processing the magnitude of what that means, Mrs. Tomlinson said. There's a reason it took me a full month to grasp that. I really didn't want to admit it, to diminish. I don't want to diminish that I impose syndrome, this imposter syndrome, she said. It's taken me a bit. Well, I am now satisfied and want to step out. Success Magazine in February 15 article included the success of 125 Loud Tomlinson, 31, for her role to success of Farm Life Academy, executive director, founded for nonprofit organization Teens on Purpose, and leading an emerging online public speaking program that has served almost 1,000 Jamaican students over the past year. Ladies and gentlemen, we are describing Mrs. Tomlinson, and at 31 years old, she has accomplished so much. Ladies and gentlemen, described as fear killer, Tomlinson is an author of a brand that elevation strategy, entrepreneur, international ranked speakers, public speaking coach, and mother. 31-year-old Jamaican, through leading a farm Miss Jamaican Festival Queen and National Youth Ambassador for Vision in 2030 Jamaica, and is now managing director of Success Farm Life Academy and founder of the leader of the coach for the nonprofit Teens on Purpose, right? She is also a three-time winner of the World University Debate champion and the first female in the Caribbean to rank the number one public speaker in the world by that organization. She now leads to Emerge online public speaking program that has served almost 1,000 students in the last 12 months and has engaged thousands of students in high impact motivation training sessions. Tomlinson is also the host of the international syndicated television show Niamins and the Apple podcast Good as Mondays, as well as the author of Kill Fear, The Art of Courageous Living. She holds a certificate in reputation management in a digital world from Australia Current University, the Science of Happiness certification from University of California, Berkeley, and Bachelor's of Science degree in Political Science, International Relations, and African Diaspora Study from the University of the West Indies, Mona. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud of Miss Tomlinson. Krystal, you are shining like a diamond, and Jamaicans are so proud of you. The melanated women of the world need more examples like Miss Krystal Tomlinson. A more life, a more joy. And bless up yourself, my queen, wherever you are. Jah know. You see how me I be? I'm so happy to hear such a great news about this Empress. You know, see her locks and about this melanated, beautiful, intelligent being. Jah know. Jah know. I mean, I love to meet you in person. I'm telling you, it's a purpose. Would like to be amongst a great person like you, Miss Tomlinson. So big up yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to leave your comment on this one. This is a happy, good, feel good moment. This is excellent. Bless up on yourself.